Hey everybody, welcome to Natural Born Vitality. So I got a really valuable skill here that will up your game in strength and resilience and injury prevention. It is the power breath. Now the power breath is probably the most important thing that I have learned myself and that I teach my students and my clients. What it is the ability to create as much tension in your body and to recruit as many muscles as you can for emotion. But this here is a practice in order to build the skill of it, because it is a skill and strength is a skill. This is something like Bruce Lee was very good at, was creating tension in his body. That's why he was so powerful, but he was a small guy. So let's get into how to do it. There are 5 steps. Originally there were 4 that I learned from Pavel Tsatsouline when I got certified in Russian kettlebells about 13 years ago, but I added a 5th. So the first part is to exhale. Second part is to do a root lock. So that's like a Kegel. Or like if you're going pee, you stop in midstream. It's a really valuable skill to know for other parts of life as well. Third part is the inhale. So you're gonna sniff down to your lower abdomen. And then fourth part is you're gonna hold your breath and compress all of your muscles. Everything from your fists, your chest, your back, your stomach, down to your legs and your butt. And then the part that I added is when you're squeezing that as much as you can, 100%, you exhale and you just squeeze a little harder, and you'll find that that exhale actually gives you another like 20% of power. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So we're gonna exhale, root lock, Kegel, inhale, and hold your breath and squeeze all your muscles. Back, butt, core, legs, everything. And then exhale, squeeze harder. And there's a little trick when you're exhaling is you let a little bit of air out, and it actually increases the amount of tension that you're creating through your breath, which helps the exhale not to just let it all go. Okay, so now there's another trick here to the tension part. What it is you're actually going to bring your abdomen, your rib cage, and your belly, your what's it called, your pubic bone together. So you're going to like that. So your hips come forward, your butt squeezes, and you like this. And what you're doing is you're taking this part where all that air is and you're compressing it even more. So let's do it one more time using that compression of the rib cage and the pubic bone. Exhale, Kegel, root lock, squeeze it. You want to feel that Kegel pulling up your spine, just like in Kundalini yoga. Exhale, root lock, inhale, and now squeeze everything. And exhale, squeeze harder. Okay. Good work. So that's how you do the power breath. Now, how do you use it? That is something that I'm gonna do another video on, and it's literally how is it now functional in my life to where you're using this skill, because it is a skill and you want to practice building the Kegel coming up your spine. You want to practice building tension in your body, but then how does it actually apply into weightlifting or power moves or body weight movement? That's something that I will show you in the next video. All right, please, if you like this video and if it helped you out, please do like it, subscribe, and I'll get you more quality videos that teach you how to live in a more vital and higher performance way with minimalism, minimalist, easy workouts. All right, thank you all, and we'll see you next time.